नमस्कार। आज हम एमएससी प्रीवियस के माइक्रोवेव स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी में रिलेटिव इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रोटेशन स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। We know that the intensity of spectral lines for any spectroscopic method depend upon the three main factors. First है transition probability, second है population of particular state and concentration and path length of sample. For microwave region, the above first two factors dominate along with 8 different thirds. One is degeneration factor to study the intensity distribution. इसमें पढ़ेंगे ट्रांजिशन probability and population. For a rigid diatomic rotation, we know that the selection rule is del J is equal to plus minus 1. यह सिलेक्शन रूल के बारे में हम पिछली क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं। ट्रांजिशन फॉर्म J1 level to J3 level is that del J is equal to plus minus 3 are spectroscopically forbidden. Is that the transition probability of such chance is 0. Since del J is equal to plus minus 1, all other transition involving immediate neighboring energy level and equal probable. This very fact infer that intensity of all such line should be equal, yet the fact is somewhat different and through having equal transition probability. The intensity depend upon population of a particular level in a sample. In a normal gas sample, there are different number of molecules in different rotation energy level to bring with and the intensity probability of all transition with del J plus minus 1 is the same. For example, J is equal to 0 लेवल से J फर्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल में या फर्स्ट से सेकेंड एनर्जी लेवल में यदि ट्रांजिशन होता है तो इनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी सेम होगी, इंटेंसिटी प्रोबेबिलिटी. Yet the intensity of spectrum line is proportional to the population of certain energy level is that to the initial number of molecule in a particular energy level. If molecule in J is equal to 0 level are in large number of present in J is equal to 1 level, then the spectral line resulting due to 0 to 1 is more intense than the line due to transition between 1 to second transition. The population fact is governed by Boltzmann distribution for according to this the intensity is proportional to N0 upon Nj upon N0 is equal to E minus Ej upon Kt. E Nj upon N0 is equal to E minus BSCH J plus 1 upon Kt. Nj number of molecule is present in J energy level and number of molecule N0 is equal to number of molecule present in J0 level. B is the rotation constant, K is the universal constant and T is the absolute temperature, J is the rotation quantum number, C is the velocity of light and H is Planck constant. According to this graph, as the energy level increase Nj upon N0 is decrease is that number of molecule is jet energy decrease, the relative transition probability decrease with at infants decrease the intensity of corresponding line. Each energy level is 2J plus fold degeneracy. Thus, the higher is the degeneracy of higher is the population of molecule in the level, and thus the intensity of spectral line for the transition, and hence is that we can say that the population of molecule in any state is proportional to its degeneracy. Is that Nj upon N0 proportional to 2J plus 1. This is equation second. Form equation first and second. Nj upon N0 is equal to 2J plus 1 E minus Ej upon Kt. This is equation third. As the value of J is increased, the molecular population decrease exponentially and number of degenerate level able increase. Hence, due to cumulative effect of second A and B, as यदि second A और B effect मिला दिया जाए, we can start from J0 to upwards. Thus, intensity of spectrum line also increase. Initial with J are such due to maxima flow by a exponential that this distribution of molecule is various relation label is called thermal distribution of a molecule. Relative intensity passes through a maxima and it can show that the value of J corresponding to maximum of population is given by J maximum is Kt upon BSC minus हाफ. ये था हमारा रिलेटिव इंटेंसिटी ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन में मॉलिक्यूल की किसी भी स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन में मॉलिक्यूल की पॉपुलेशन का उसके ट्रांजिशन और उसकी इंटेंसिटी पर क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, इसके बारे में कुछ डिटेल इन माइक्रोवेव स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी. नमस्कार.